just got out of the vehicle. It is mighty muddy. Heading down out here on the farm. We've got a new baby, and I was going to try, hear the dogs barking. I was going to try to see if I could get him and his mama. He's in the barn. They keep him in the barn for a day or two until they make sure baby is eating well and everything. So you can see the water standing here in the tracks and stuff. It has been like a monsoon all night long. All night long. I'm not even going to go out. You can just see the mud everywhere. So let me see if I can holler at the girls. They're up this way. See that little rotten thing? Sorry, I don't have one of those things like like other people have, where they can do the filming. Look at my girls. Well, I call them my girls, but really they belong to my son and my daughter-in-law. They have a house here on the farm, and oh mercy. Hey, good morning. Good morning, girls. Good morning. There comes baby. Look, Curly. It's rained on him. Look how curly. Yeah, that's my girls and boys. That's my sweet girl. You look pretty all curlied up. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. And there's your baby. There's your baby. Yeah, come up here and look. Come up here. Look at Nanny. Come on, look up. Look up here. Come on. Come on. Look at him. Say hi, my sweet babies. Everybody's picking today. All this green grass they're picking and eating. Hello, Thor. Hello, Thor. How is my baby? Huh? How's my baby? I miss him. Oh my goodness. He says this is good green grass. It's rained so much, and now it's got us out picking and eating. Over there's Penelope, my little shoe biter. No, there's Penelope right there. That's Penelope, the brown and white spotted one there. There comes my little, we call her Tina Turner. Let me make, there, that's my baby. That's my baby girl. Yes, it is. That's my girls. That's Jitterbug. She's a little jitterbug, ain't you? Ain't you, my precious baby? Yes, you are. They love it. And here comes I can't remember its name. Lord Youngins, you know how I am. I can't remember nothing. Oh, Jitterbug didn't want her to come over. Hi, babies. Hi, my babies. Here they come. Here they come. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. What do girls doing this morning? Huh? What are doing this morning? Look at this with its little nose stuck through. Hi, babies. 3 little noses. Oh, Lord, I love them babies. We claim grandparents' rights. I fluffed your hair up all over your head, hadn't I? Yes, I have. Yes, I have, Jitterbug. Yes, I have, old Jitterbug. Oh, Lord, their little ears. That one's soaking wet. Soaking wet. Oh, mercy, look at them. They're precious. Yes, baby. Yes, you're right here with Nanny. And you don't even have, look at that. You don't even have my shoe to chew on, do you? You don't even have my shoe to chew on, Penelope. Look at them little fellers. I just thought I'd bring y'all out and let you see them this morning. Yes, Penelope loves to be rubbed, and she's jealous of the other babies whenever she's not getting the rub, you know? Oh, my mercy. Oh, my mercy. That old Penelope girl. Oh, Lord, they're sweet. They've been out here rolling. Look how dirty my hand is from rubbing. Look how dirty my hand is from rubbing. Yes, yes. They're so sweet, young'uns. They've got such sweet little demeanors. They really do. It's rained all night long. All night long. Hi, my sweet little baby. You staying with me, ain't you? You staying with me, ain't you, my sweet baby girl? My sweet baby girl. Their little noses are so soft. Look how sweet and soft that little nose is. They're just precious. You're just precious, baby. Well, I thought I'd run yins out here for a few minutes and see the girls and the boys. Look at them up there licking each other. Look how they do. They love one another. It says here, I'll scratch your back if you'll scratch mine. And that's what they're doing. You ever heard that old saying? Look at little, look at little. That's little man, I call him. He is rotten to the core. He loves to get up on that mound of dirt that was left over from the garden, and he jumps off and runs off. He's telling everybody that he is such the man. He will be for sale before too long. I know he will. Look at this. Look at this baby. How could somebody be mean to that precious little sweet pea? How could somebody be mean to you, baby? How could somebody be mean to them little babies? I wished you could feel their little muzzles, their little noses and little mouths just laying in my hand. Oh, they're precious. They're precious. I'll scratch your back, honey. I'll rub your back. You've got stuff all over you where you've laid down and rolled. Hi, my sweet little thing. Hi, my sweet little thing. Look at this. It looks like it's had its hair dyed, don't it? Look. Oh, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. That's so sweet. That's so sweet. I'll rub your back for you, okay? We got a new little baby. And Pop and my son Josh, they're not back yet. They had to go do something this morning. But they're not back from that. So I said, okay, I'll just get the girls. I'll just video the girls. So we might have to get the new baby on another day. But he is black. And he's spry. They say he's jumping around already. He's jumping around already. Say, hi, babies. Hi, babies. What you doing, huh? What you doing? Aren't they sweet? Lord, I love them. Look at all the chickens. Not all of them, but some of them. Hi, my babies. You gonna come see me? You gonna come see me, my girls and boys, huh? Yeah. Flop them wings. What are you doing, huh? You waiting on me? Was you waiting on me to go back to the house? Oh, that black rooster, he's cutie too. He's a cutie too. Just going to show you some of the girls and boys. I raised them little blondies there from just tiny little chicks. Oh, big rooster doing there, huh? Huh? You escorting the hens around? Are you? Escorting the hens around? Hello, girls. Looky there. These two little roosters, aren't they pretty? Looky there. Get around here where you can see. Oh, if I don't fall down. Oh, mercy, they're jewels. They're jewels. Okay, I was just gonna holler at y'all. Look at that sky. So cloudy and gloomy. It looks like it's gonna pour the rain. Just wanted to holler at you and let you know that the babies are doing good today, and that we will see you next time, and maybe I'll get the new little boy calf that was born, and I'll get his mama, okay? I'll see you next time. Love y'all, and remember, the Lord loves you more.